how we set up our working station. The first thing we need is the hammer. The second one is the wooden staff. The third one is the measuring tape. First, we need to bury the wooden staff deep in the sea because the strong current wave might topple the wooden staff. After we have buried the wooden staff, we have to measure the height of the wooden staff from bottom to top using measuring tape.
Wave height. Okay, after we set up this wooden staff, we measure the water level each hour for 24 hours by calculate the measurement that we have marked. So this is how the work has been done. So now this is 4:30 PM. This is the 6th reading of the day. This is station 8. What is the reading?
The reading is now 1.06.
After a while, the water level will drop, and then we need to change the wooden stuff and mark it with ordinary stick, and then we will repeat it for high tide cycle later.
Wind direction. We need a thread, a compass and wooden staff. So the first thing we should do is we tie a thread to the wooden staff, and then we take the average of the direction of the wind. For example here, first, second, third. So the average we can make here is this one. So after that, we use compass to measure the direction. And the reading is 270.
Wavelength. Wavelength is a length between one crest to another crest. Basically, our distance gauge is about 2 meters. Firstly, we measure the gauge by using the measuring tape. After we get 2 meters, we put our gauge 1 and gauge 2, and that is 2 meters. Next is fold up the measuring tape. Right now, we are going to identify the wavelength at Pulau Perhentian. So currently, at this hour, we get the wavelength is about 2 meters, which means there are 2 gauges.
celerity. Wave celerity is the time taken for one wave at a time. Mathematically, is the length divided by time. The length gauge is 2 meters. Start and stop the stopwatch when the wave reach at first gauge and second gauge, then determined by calculation.
By using Google Map application, and this is our map. We show about latitude and longitude, and how we are taking the location located at north 5 degrees, 53 minutes and 40 seconds, and at east 43 seconds and 58 minutes.
Type of coastal. There are many types of coastal in world, but in the peninsula of Malaysia, there are 3 types, which is sand beach, rock beach, and mud beach. As we can see, at this Perhentian Island, the type of the beach is sand beach. Wind speed. Here we are at Pulau Perhentian to measure the velocity of the wind. Basically, we use a simple material like cotton, measuring tape, and also a stopwatch. So, let's see how it's done. First, we put the cotton in the air and just let it go. So, we use the tape to take the distance where the cotton falls. And then, we use the stopwatch to measure the wind speed. Thank you.
Daripada segi kebersihan, macam mana orang-orang sini jaga kebersihan terumbu karang kat sini, pelihara kawasan ini?
Itu jagaan taman laut. Taman laut dia memerhatilah. Kalau macam contoh scuba diving ke, dia berenang tu, kena tinggi sikit pada coral lah. Tak boleh kena coral, susah. Coral kalau dia mati, susah nak hidup. Makan tahulah. Macam siapa-siapa ni dah sedia semua lah. Macam orang kampung dia letak satu tempat, majlis daerah tu pun mari angkat terus pergi ke tanah besar.
Kan batu-batu ni kan tinggi.
Nah.
So pernah tak ombak ni melepasi batu-batu?
Ada juga. Dia bulan 12, bulan 1
Monsun lah waktu.
monsun lah.
Lepas tu pernah kena sampai atas banjir.
Tak sampai sini ya.
Sampai sini lah. Tak pernah banjir lagi. Batu-batu ni dia membantu lah.
Yalah membantu menghalalkan air naik.
Kami pelajar ni, kita orang datang ke sini, apa yang kami dapatlah daripada pulau ni.
Untuk jaga. Macam kita pergi snorkeling kan, tak boleh usik lah benda-benda dalam laut tu. Tak boleh buang sampah. Kena jagalah. Macam di darat pula kena jaga kebersihan siapa-siapa ke. Kan dia ada sedia dah. Buang sana lah, satu tempat. Nampak tak? Kotor.
Okay, Cik. Terima kasih banyak, Cik.
Sama-sama.
Jumpa lagi, Cik.
Okey.
Macam buat sini.
Bye-bye.